So, working on the old 455, and we're doing the last piece of rust repair. And this is a very happy moment because it gets old after a while. So, he had to patch in this piece right here. I think we showed the pictures before where it was rusting back. Luckily, we went to the junkyard and got parts from a donor car, and then it fit right in, a lot of finagling. So this will be out of the way. And then there will be some metal work done, tightening up gaps and stuff where you add on metal or grind away some. It'll be a lot easier than all the other work that we've done so far. So these magnets are pretty nice, and they hold it. And you can see this is a double layer. So when we got the part off of the other donor car, this will be welded on the outside and the inside to continue that same metal work that's factory from the manufacturer. But you get the idea. So when we went out to California, we were picking up the car. We saw the waviness, kind of knew what it was going to be, but we didn't think it was going to be that bad. We thought we were going to get a California car and just sand it down and paint it. And when we got there, we could see ripply look, and a lot of times water will sit in here too. This will rot out.
So it's fit on the inside as well. This seam will be nice and flat with that rolled lip. Time to weld it up. Here it is installed. What do you got there, Paul?
A glass of vino.
The inside turned out pretty good. A lot of grinding in here. But compared to what that rust was, we left it pretty rough so the Bondo would adhere. We're all done with the bracing now. It's coming out.
Working on parts for the bike.
And we're doing two projects at once here.
And drinking wine.
How's that working out for you?
Tastes like crap, but it's catching the blood. So he mixed up a hot load. It was white and blue, and it's pretty dark. So what I'm gonna do is just try to cram this in as good as I can here. This is where it's really important. Oop, lost a lot.
I think the wine got to him a little bit.
Oh yeah. I usually drink beer all day, never even catch a buzz, and I had a couple wine, like, where did you get wine from? Well, the chick left some wine there, so let's drink that wine. Man, I feel happy. Then I'll level this out, and we'll heavy primer it, and it will be, smoothed out. And you can look at it, you can see it follows the same contour. Nobody will even notice this was ever done. As we're sanding this down, there was the original mine gold, which is hard. I mean, when you're sanding that, you wouldn't even need to go past the Mayan gold. There's the primer, there's the Mayan gold, and somebody painted it blue, and then the last guy painted it black, and the shit never dried. And he goes, this just clogs your sandpaper. It's the shittiest paint job anybody could have ever done. But what he did is he just, everywhere there was a rust hole, he just packed Bondo into it just to sell it. And this just clogs your sandpaper and stuff. We're gonna take it down to bare steel, but basically all you'd have to do is go down to the gold, and that would be good enough. It would, that's adhering pretty good. Why would you have to take it off? We'll take it all off, then we'll have to start all over with a sealer and all that stuff, and we'll get it so that if anybody, once this guy dies, somebody gets the car, they'll say, what the hell is all this? Why didn't he take this off? This guy that painted this color should have taken the other two colors off. You can't let paint get that thick and not expect cracking to go on and stuff. You want to get it down so that paint is thinner. If you put paint on too thick, it cracks. So we got it all level now. And now he's gonna make some special stuff that's just, they call it honey. It's real thin. And I'll fill these little divots here. And there's a high spot right here. So I gotta blend it down to here, blend it up to here. There's less divots, you know, so it's easier each application, the straighter it gets. She's pretty flat, and the next thing would be a heavy build primer, and we go way out to here, down to there, and there is a little high spot right here, and then you blend that out. And otherwise, you will not even notice that this area was ever welded here.